Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add a header here in Wix. As you can see, whenever you select a template, there will be a header, also a footer. Okay. Now, if you start from scratch, let me just go ahead and start from scratch. Okay. Right here, let's create a new site. You can use either Studio or Wix Editor. Okay. I'm just going to use Editor, pick a template, blank templates, start from scratch. So here we have the header section. Okay. You can just easily click on add elements or click on three dots and click on quick edits. Okay. So as you can see, header is highlighted. So just go ahead and click on add elements. It could be menus right here at the left panel. All right. And here we have templates or themed menus. Okay. For example, I would like to use this one. Just drag and drop. Click on it. Manage menus. Here we have home. Add a page. Blank page if you don't want to use templates. For example, I would like to use about us right here. Add page. Wait for it. And as you can see, about has been added. Done. Add page. Maybe contact. This one. All right. That's basically how you add a header here in Wix. Go ahead and customize it as much as you want. You can go ahead and add in your logo or any other elements right here. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.